Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something that's on Euro. I want something I would never wear. I bought something from Asos that's something I would never wear probably because the design is just way too, it's just not my thing. But I'm ordered them and I want to try them for you guys. So if you guys like them, you can probably buy it. But I just want to try it in front of you guys. The first one is this transparent PVC short. The color is blue. It's really soft actually. The material, although it's PVC, but it's really soft. It has nice feeling touch. But if you wear this with some other styles, it would look better. Let me try them for you. So let me put this on. Let me put it on. Yeah, if you want to wear this short inside, you probably wouldn't wear something that's too sexy, you know. Yeah, this is how the short looks like. It's a little bit big, but I think if you put a belt on it, and it would be fine. So in order to strengthen my upper body, I chose this black striped shirt from Topman to link with my black underwear. So it looks not that trashy. And then I chose this coat from Nike, which is really cool. One side is silver color, the other side is dark blue. I'm going to use the dark blue side because here it's already really bright. I don't want the silver color to pop again. So I just put the silver color inside. So if you see it, you can still feel the the coolness, and it's not that. It's not too much. And I'm going to use this big Louis Vuitton soft trunk, which I bought several months ago, and a lot of people are asking me where did I got this. And if you are interested, please drop me a message on Instagram. Do you guys think this look is cool or not? Are you willing to wear this kind of material, shorts or pants? Let me know if you like this. And I wear those easy zipper sneakers like this. Yes. Overall, I think although the design is dramatic, but I think it can be worn if you know how to style it. So let me know your thoughts if you are going to wear this or not. And let's move on to the second look. Yeah, the second one is this T-shirt. Oh my god, it's so short. I don't know why they designed such short T-shirt. I just think it's way too short. Like, I understand if a girl wears this like sort of short shirt, but for male, I think it's just too short, way too much, But I still bought it. I want to try it in front of you guys. I want you to see how bad it looks like, or maybe you like it. So I'm just gonna wear this short and with this, T-shirt. This is how it looks like. See my tummy is there, and you can even see my tummy. The sleeve is actually same length as the, I think if you put the sleeve shorter, maybe. I don't know, do you guys like this? If you want me to wear this, I can wear it, and it's just not easy for everyone to wear such shirt, If you want to wear such kind of shirt, I suggest you wear something underneath at least, so it doesn't show your awkward parts. I'm gonna try it for you guys to wear something underneath. Yeah. Yes, I put this shirt underneath, and it looks like this. But I still feel it's just too short, Should I wear this and take photos, outside? Comment below if you think I should. I will post it on Instagram. Alright, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow me. Thank you guys. I'm still thinking about this coat. Well, seriously, will you buy this one and this one from Asos? Seriously, let me know. And the last piece I think I never wore before is such shirt. It's like the hole here, the armhole here is really big. It's really big. If you wear if you just wear this like naked, they will see your nipples, I think. But I got the red color. I think red color really pops, especially in springtime. So let me wear this. But I'm going to wear this one underneath, so nothing awkward is gonna happen. Yeah, this is how it looks. See the hole, the hole. It's such a huge hole. Oh my god! Like, can you see my hand? It just, yeah, I think it's too. The hole is too big. I see a lot of like guys wearing this kind of shirts when they go to gym, and you know. Let me know if you guys want to wear this. And I think this short doesn't go well with this red color, so I'm going to take this off to put on this top man short, which is checks. I think it looks better, and wait a minute. And I'm going to wear this denim jacket from Zara. What do you guys think? I think this is really cool. And since I'm going out to take photos, I have to put one more piece because it's cold outside. How about this Nike coat? It's big enough. And you will see this. You will see photos of this look on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me, follow me there, please. And shoes, I think I still have to think about which shoes I'm gonna wear. But the bag, I'm going to use this handmade off-white and Gucci fanny bag today. Before I broke this Gucci bag, so I used the off-white belt to fix it. Yes, this is my today's look. And let me know if you guys think you would buy those three pieces from Asos, and let me know. And yes, although I didn't like them, but I think I'm gonna use them for my street photos. And if you want to know how it looks like, please follow me there. Now it's 12 a.m. I think I'm gonna go out to take some lunch, and I'm going to watch a movie in the afternoon, and then I'm going to take photos. And one last thing, I bought this bag from New Look. This PVC bag is so bad, the quality, oh my god. I know it's cost only 13 pounds, but the quality is just too much. I cannot accept it. You see the zipper is bad. It's just, the material is bad, the belt, even the belt is bad. For such quality, in China I can get it for 2 pounds actually. This is 13 pounds, I'm gonna return it. So please don't buy it, that's why I'm here to show you guys to tell you the real opinion, because I don't think it looks good, but it's not worth the money, so I don't suggest you buy it. So let me know if you like today's video, and please comment below if you have any questions, or if you want to buy any bag like the Louis Vuitton soft bag. If you want it, please follow me on Instagram and send me a message there. I will give you the information of the seller, and also I'm going to do more fake bag reviews in a few more days, because my friend in China is coming to London to visit me, and she's gonna bring a lot of fake stuff. Yes, a lot. You heard me right, a lot. And I'm going to review each of them and upload here. I will only tell you the real opinion about those bags, or bags or clothing. And yeah, everyone needs a good fake retailer, right? Yeah, just in case you are interested, not everything I bought are fake. Actually, if it's fake, I'm gonna tell you guys, and I'm gonna review it in the video. So just don't think everything I bought is fake, okay? Such as this Nike coat, no need to buy a fake one. And this Gucci bag is real, although it's broken, but it's original. So yeah, let me know if you like this video, and love you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.